One of the most common mistakes that we see so many expats making in Singapore is when their salary, their income, their remuneration increases, they're not bumping up their retirement savings. Now, if we were working in Australia, receiving our superannuation guarantee contributions from our employer, which is mandated by law in Australia, let's just say that was 11%. Now, if my salary goes from $120,000 a year to $130,000 per year, then naturally my superannuation guarantee contribution from my employer, which is 11% of my salary, is going to go up by that commensurate amount because my salary increased. That money will go into my super fund and be invested, providing I've got my superannuation account set up appropriately, and then it will be invested in line with my risk profile and my overall long-term financial goals for my retirement. Now, when we're working in Singapore as expats, the majority of us don't have an employment retirement plan or CPF or any sort of ongoing mandatory retirement plan, so the onus is on us to put this money aside and to ensure it's working for us. Now, not only is it important to ensure that this money is going into our retirement savings, it's also important to ensure that it's invested and it's working for us. So for a lot of Australian expats, you might have an employee share purchase plan, you might have an SRS fund, you might even have CPF. But it's important to ensure that these additional retirement savings are actually working for us. So if your employee share purchase plan or your company matching retirement plan or even your SRS is already maxed out and you can't add additional savings, then it's important to find an alternative solution. That might be setting up a portfolio of index funds or ETFs, investing in a managed fund or a unit trust, even topping up your superannuation back home to ensure that the money is working for you. Naturally, seek advice from your financial advisor to work out what is the best option in your unique position, but ensure this money is working for you. Ensure your retirement savings are keeping pace with your income. I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that gives you a bit of food for thought. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.